Today I'm going to show you an easy way to light up a car with Photoshop. This is the image I'll be using for this tutorial, and without wasting much time, let's get into it. Create a new adjustment layer. Let's rename it for easy identification. Then choose the soft round brush and follow this process. Change the blending mode to color dodge. Then open the blending option and uncheck the transparency shapes layer. On the second adjustment layer, change the blending mode to color dodge and rename it. Create another adjustment layer for the reflection using the same color. Follow this process. Then open the blending option and move the slider. Press OK once you are done. Create another adjustment layer using the same color. Increase the radius of the brush and create the light. Change the blending mode to color dodge. Press Ctrl T to scale and adjust the light. Choose the polygon lasso tool and draw this kind of selection. Unhide the layer and add a layer mask. Move over to the properties panel and move the feather. Then reduce the fill and opacity.